What's up, amigos? Welcome to Think Builder. For today's video, I'm just going to be doing a quick unboxing, as well do some cleanup here in the shop, just keep it screen printing related. So let's get started. So amigos, we're here at the table, we're unboxing some of my items. This right here is actually going to be for this channel. For those who know, I do use my cell phone to do these videos, but I'm starting to get more problems because at the very beginning, sometimes I would do a video, I'll record, but the audio will not be synced up with the video. It's a headache when I'm trying to edit because for me it bothers me when it's not synced up. And right now it's happening more often. As well, where the phone jack, the headphone jack, where you plug in the headphones, it doesn't work. And I do want to plug in a microphone, that way you guys can hear me better. But yeah, it doesn't work. And I did want to get a GoPro, but real expensive, and so I decided not to. And instead, I decided to get another cell phone, but I got like a middle end, cell phone. I ain't gonna buy a brand new, top of the art, not top of the art, but the latest technology, because those ones as well are expensive. So I decided to get a low budget cell phone, which is right here. I got it online, but I'm actually going to be paying this in payments. So every month I'm going to make a payment because I don't have the money to buy an extra cell phone. So it was easier to just do in payments. So I finally got here. So let me unbox this real quick. Espérate. Oh, it came with a small fidget spinner. That's weird. Well, I'm gonna give this to my daughter. Espérate. Ni sirve, pero. That was unexpected. So this is the phone I got. Motorola Moto G7 Play. Again, not the latest one, but I did my research. I was looking online, and I guess this one it could record to 4K. But I'm not gonna do that because I do not want to fill my hard drive or my computer. So I'm gonna set this up right now, and I'm gonna plug it in to finally make the switch from this old cell phone to this new one. Okay, amigos, so I'm done setting up my new phone, so it's time to make the switch right now. Okay, so this is a new video. Hopefully it looks better. I won't really tell until I'm actually editing this video and actually stay on YouTube. But right now I'm using the selfie camera because I got used to it, because on my old phone, the back camera, it looks real foggy. So I ended up using the selfie camera, which looked better, but it was actually more helpful because I actually have the screen so I can look at, that way I can know what's in the picture of the video. So that's what I'm seeing right now. But just to show you guys comparison, I'm gonna record detail of our shop you see in this phone and the new one, just so we can see the difference. And I'm gonna be using the back camera because there are sometimes when I want to make a video and I want to record, like for example, when I was with the maestro, a lot of times I want to record him, printing. But again, since this camera was real foggy, I have to use a selfie camera, and it's kind of hard, to navigate, trying to get everything in focus, makes everything more, like, difficult. So let's make a quick comparison video, then I'll get back to actually doing some cleanup in here. Okay, so I'm recording with both phones at the same time. Just so you guys can get an idea of the difference. There's a big difference. I'm just looking at the screens right here. Wow. Oh, I got stuck. Ugh. Look at the screens. Okay, so I was about to clean up the ink off these 3 screens, but I just realized I'm out of paper towels, and I was gonna use my other cloth, but I can't find it. I think I already used that up, so I have to hold that back on cleaning the screens for another day. But in the meantime, I'm gonna clean up in here because it is kind of dirty. So we're gonna do that while I'll talk. Oh yeah, since we're here talking, I was gonna talk about stuttering again. I was gonna talk about what I'm gonna be doing for these next videos. I seem to do that 2-color halftone. I'm working on that right now. I was working on the design, but then I got another idea, so I'm working on that one. And I'm gonna take longer because I'm trying to explain it like on Photoshop, how to do like every step as clear as I can, because I'm not really good at explaining things. So I'm gonna try my best, trying to find a way if I could, write things down so that I could explain it to you guys. That way it could be easier for you guys to follow. But anyways, other than that, you guys know how this whole, COVID-19 is affecting a lot of like the whole world. And here I was gonna do a few print jobs, but right now, basically all the businesses, they're closed, and those ones who are open, well, they're not making a lot of sales. So the last thing they're gonna do is right now is get some shirts done. For example, there was a restaurant where I was gonna make more shirts. You guys saw in I believe it was a second video, I was gonna do another reorder, but she's been closed right now for like going into almost 2 months now, because before she closed, her sales went down, and right now there's no point of opening because everything's to go. But her restaurant is mostly to dine in there, so she closed. I had 2 guys that make salsas. I was gonna print some shirts for them. They were actually paying me in payments. That way, like each week they'll give me money. That way, when they actually give me the full amount, I'll go into printing shirts. But right now they stopped making payments because, again, business is down, and they told me to if I could wait on them. I told yeah, no problem. It's not like I still have the money right there saved up. So whenever I want to pick it up again, start receiving payments. And once I get that full payment, I order the shirts and do that print. But right now that's on hold. Another guy as well, not restaurant. It was like a food truck selling hamburgers, hot dogs at night. But sales down. So right now he doesn't want to buy shirts. The wedding, you saw those wedding napkins that I did I think, I don't know how many months ago, probably like 2 months ago, probably sure. Those ones were because they got married by the court. That's when they only got like 12 napkins. I think it was 12. I can't remember exactly. And they're going to do the actual, wedding, getting married by the church, having the big party. And they're going to order more. But no parties right now, Again, large gatherings are banned right now. So that's out of the way. Another print job I was going to do as well was... No, I think that's all. Yeah, it was just those ones. As well, for this year I wanted to start looking for print jobs. Going out, trying to pass out my business cards. But damn, nobody's open right now. So yeah, so a lot of people are getting affected by this. Luckily for my job, I'm still working. Our business hasn't been affected that bad. It actually went up because everybody's at home, everybody's buying tortillas. So I feel real fortunate that I'm still working, getting a pay every week. So I feel blessed because of that. So yeah, so instead I'm gonna try to make, kind of like tutorials or like print jobs, that way I can actually, have something screen printing, on this video, because I want to be uploading videos of me actually, screen printing, not just me talking. So the only way to do it right now is, just making, some cool print jobs, not print jobs, some cool prints, improving my skills. And I will also, like if I do a certain print, I'll leave the files there, or I'll wait for you guys to follow along. That way you can do it yourself. I hope that makes sense. But anyways, let me finish cleaning up in here. Third thing left to do is sweep. So that's all for today's video. Sorry that wasn't nothing very interesting. I'm going to try to make sure that my next video is actually me printing something you guys can follow along or to try yourself. But anyways, I'll see you guys next time, amigos.